Welcome back to channel where we review the latest and greatest in consumer tech and gear. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best Canon cameras of 2025. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, or just looking to upgrade your travel camera, there's something here for everyone. From high-end mirrorless models to ultra-zoom compacts, we've covered the best Canon has to offer this year. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R50 is designed with the modern creator in mind. It's compact, user-friendly, and surprisingly powerful for its price. The uncropped 4K video quality is superb, especially in well-lit environments. It's lightweight and easy to use for travel, street photography, and vlogging. The dual-pixel autofocus is fast and tracks faces very reliably. Specs and features: 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, RFS 18 to 45mm f/4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit, 4K uncropped video recording, DigicX image processor, dual pixel CMOS AF2. Pros: great for beginners and vloggers. Responsive touchscreen interface, uncropped 4K video, best for vloggers, travel content creators, and entry-level photographers. Number 2. Canon EOS R10 mirrorless camera. If the R50 is for beginners, the R10 is for those ready to level up. It features advanced tracking for animals, vehicles, and people, making it a great choice for action, sports, or wildlife photography. The 18 to 150mm kit lens is versatile and covers a wide range of shooting situations. It also feels premium and robust for its size. Specs and features: 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, RFS 18 to 150mm f/3.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit, high-speed continuous shooting, 15 frames per second mechanical, 23 frames per second electronic, 4K per 30 frames per second video recording, oversampled from 6K. DigicX processor, advanced subject tracking. Pros: great image and video quality, advanced autofocus capabilities, powerful zoom lens included. Best for semi-pro photographers, hybrid shooters, and serious hobbyists. Number 3. Sony ZV-1F vlog camera. Although not a Canon, the Sony ZV-1F deserves a place here for its unmatched convenience for vloggers. It's incredibly small, fits in your pocket, and has intuitive features that make content creation seamless. The product showcase mode and face priority autofocus are perfect for YouTubers and product reviewers. Specs and features: 20.1 megapixel 1.0 type CMOS sensor, ultra-compact design, built-in 20mm equivalent lens, product showcase mode, background defocus button, 4K video and directional mic. Pros: pocket-sized and lightweight, flip screen and excellent built-in mic, beginner-friendly controls, best for vloggers, influencers, and daily content creators. Number 4. Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera. The R100 is Canon's most budget-friendly RF mirrorless camera. While it lacks some of the modern conveniences like a vari-angle touchscreen or high-speed shooting, it's still an excellent tool for basic photography and casual vlogging. Perfect for students and beginners. Specs and features: 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, RFS 18 to 45mm f/4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit, 4K/24p video with 1.55x crop, dual pixel autofocus, lightweight design. Pros: affordable entry to Canon's RF system, simple interface for new users, good image quality, best for beginners, casual users, and students. Number 5. Canon PowerShot SX740HS. The PowerShot SX740HS is a powerful compact camera, especially for travel enthusiasts. Its 40x zoom lets you capture distant subjects without the need for bulky gear. While it lacks some manual features found in mirrorless cameras, it's perfect for point-and-shoot convenience. Specs and features: 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, 40x optical zoom, 24 to 960mm equivalent, 4K video and time-lapse recording, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Pros: huge zoom range, pocket-friendly, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth transfer, best for travelers, casual photographers, families. So, what's the best Canon camera for you in 2025? Here's a quick breakdown. Go with the Canon EOS R50 if you're just getting started with vlogging or YouTube. The Canon EOS R10 is your pick if you want professional features in a small package. The Sony ZV-1F, while not Canon, is unmatched for compact vlogging. For students or casual shooters, the Canon EOS R100 is a great budget choice. And if travel is your thing, the PowerShot SX740HS with its 40x zoom is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited about or currently using. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.